Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp Business API for customer support. So basically, what is this WhatsApp API or Business API? So would you like to rapidly connect with hundreds of thousands of WhatsApp users in order to drive 3 times as many sales and conversions from day one? The greatest way to formally and smoothly engage with large global audience at scale on the most popular platform is using WhatsApp Business API. So, what is this Business API for WhatsApp? The WhatsApp Business API is programmable API that enables companies to send and receive an unlimited number of messages to a whole wide audience and improve customer experience on WhatsApp. So the question is, how do you send messages on WhatsApp using WhatsApp Business API? So WhatsApp checks to make sure the message you wish to send people is error-free and complies with WhatsApp commerce policies. WhatsApp template messages are those that require approval from WhatsApp before they may send. So businesses send template messages to start a discussion, send transactional messages like orders, payment, delivery notifications, and send discount coupons and special offers via WhatsApp. So, to make it short, this one can make your work or job way too easy at less effort. Another question is, who can apply for WhatsApp Business API? Of course, a business website and business email, a fresh phone number. You need an active phone number, and then WhatsApp Business app account, and also Facebook Business Manager verified. So you must get this in order for you to apply for WhatsApp Business API. And then lastly, how to apply for WhatsApp Business API. If you go to our channel, there is another tutorial there that can show you how to get this or how to get token and API. So you just have to go to our channel and see that. Basically, you just have to simply follow some instructions there to create one. So, what are the benefits of this WhatsApp Business API for customer support? First is, of course, a business initiated conversations, WhatsApp business partner charges, and then also broadcast promotional messages to unlimited users, automate notifications via integrations, and integrate WhatsApp chatbot to automate support and sales. As easy as that. So, that's it. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.